MAN TGX. The MAN TG range is the range of trucks produced since 2000 by the German vehicle manufacturer MAN Truck and Bus. On the 10th of February 2020, the second generation range was unveiled to the public at the event in Spain. The MAN TGX proves that low consumption and high performance are not mutually exclusive. It doesn't matter if you are driving on the motorway or are hard at work on a construction site, thanks to its numerous equipment and engine versions. It also introduces a new fully digital instrument cluster for the first time in a MAN vehicle. Nikola 2 electric semi-truck. Nikola Motor Company is a pioneer in electric heavy-duty applications. Nikola offers both pure electric and also hydrogen electric powertrains to cover Class 8 in transportation. It has more than 1,000 horsepower and 2,000 feet-pounds of torque, nearly double the horsepower of any semi-truck on the road. The Nikola 2 has a range of 750 to 1,200 kilometers and zero tailpipe emissions. The trucks will be leased with the fuel included, as is the case with the Nikola 1. EOS KZT1. The 3 million semi-trucks on US roads are essential to the national economy. But they're also bad for the environment, emitting millions of tons of carbon pollution. The one and only solution is the environmental friendly vehicle. ET is a, formerly fuel-burning truck that California-based startup Thor has converted into a sleek electric rig. The $150,000 plus vehicle, which is still in its prototype phase. It can haul up to 80,000 pounds for up to 300 miles on a single charge. The new Volvo VNL 860. Volvo redesigned VNL 860 for 2020 with more aerodynamic front end. The upgraded high-roof 77-inch sleeper has plenty of space, storage and amenities to let team drivers feel at home. The latest VNL update features a most aerodynamic and fuel-efficient package. It offers up to 7.5% fuel savings, when compared to the previous version. To improve visibility and reduce maintenance, Volvo employs LED bulbs for all exterior lighting. At the heart of the new and improved instrument cluster is a 5-inch driver display, with improved graphics, works with steering wheel mounted controls. MHC Kenworth T680. HMC T60 is the Kenworth's most aerodynamic truck ever. The Kenworth T680 takes performance and driver comfort to a whole new level. Innovative technologies and advanced manufacturing processes deliver fuel efficient. The benefits in fuel savings, reduced maintenance, environmental compliance and driver satisfaction can be more advantage of this truck. Walmart Wave. Walmart has unveiled a new prototype for a delivery truck. The Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience, or WAVE, is the name of this truck. While no official fuel economy figures have been provided, it is expected that the truck's lightweight construction, hybrid turbine drivetrain and advanced aerodynamics will provide significant savings. It was developed in conjunction with Peterbilt, Capstone Turbine, and Great Dane Trailer. More than anything for Walmart, the WAVE is a means to shake up the way things are done in the trucking industry. The WAVE's revolutionary micro-turbine, developed by Capstone Turbine, is capable of running on natural gas and other fuels, all the while producing virtually no emissions. Starship. Shell and Airflow Truck Company have designed and built a hyperfuel-efficient Class 8 truck. Starship is an innovative, material step towards reducing emissions and increasing overall efficiency and fuel economy in the transport sector. This next-generation truck features a custom, aerodynamic design and aims to demonstrate improvements in fuel economy for Class 8 trucks while lowering CO2 emissions. The Starship project truck is powered by a 2017 Cummins X15 efficiency 6-cylinder engine with 400 horsepower and 1850 foot-pounds of torque. The standard engine has been calibrated with the transmission to run at very low speeds and down to 800 revolutions per minute. The Starship truck completed a test run of more than 2,300 miles across the United States. Mercedes-Benz Urban E-Truck. The styling of the Urban E-Truck is as innovative as its electric drive. It embodies the design philosophy of the Mercedes-Benz brand, which focuses on sensual purity, an expression that applies perfectly to the Urban E-Truck. Across the roof, a form-fitting three-dimensional spoiler connects the cab with the body of the truck. The conventional air inlet has been omitted from the Urban E-Truck because of the electric drive. The futuristic-looking driver's cab is not a radical design study but a derivative of the cab of the Mercedes-Benz Antos truck.